Welcome to our video, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to make that Elon Musk talking AI thing that you guys see on TikTok and or other social media platforms. So first of all, you have to go to elontalks.com. You go to this website, you type elontalks.com, and you get to this page. So this page is very simple, no complicated, anything complicated. So you go and say what you want to tell. So you write the thing that Elon Musk you write the thing that you want Elon Musk to say. So first of all, we gotta select the template. So there's templates from Joe Rogan, All in One Podcast, TED, Y Combinator, ONS, SXW. So I'm gonna be choosing Joe Rogan, and I'm gonna be doing this on different like videos. It says buy me a coffee to support the server cost, but this is totally free, so you don't need to pay on anything. So while I'm doing this, please go to the website, go to elontalks.com, and so you're gonna say subscribe to my. So I'm gonna write subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Let's go. So I'm gonna be writing this script. So this is the script that Elon Musk is supposed to say. So I'm gonna be choosing the Joe Rogan podcast, and we're gonna press on create a video. So this is exporting right now. There's a queue because the website is very slow. The reason why
Subscribe
this
to my channel on YouTube. Let's go.
so it worked. So well, let's listen to it again.
Subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Let's go.
So I'm gonna be saying something different. So let me say woo 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 woo. Hey guys, welcome to our video. So you can also make money by using this. So what you can do is you can go to um, you can outsource this on Fiverr, where most people don't know this right now. So watch this video and learn how to do it. So
Ooh, hey guys, welcome to our video.
So this is what's happening. You can also save this by clicking on here, and you can press download and it will automatically download. Make sure to download it fully HD, so there's a playback speed, and there's also you can share this on Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit to make sure that you have it. So I'm going to be going on All-in-One podcast, so I'm going to be doing the same thing for All-in-One podcast.
Ooh, hey guys, welcome to our video.
See, it's the same thing, but
Ooh, hey guys, welcome to our video.
and it's Elon Musk talking. So let's try this. Create a video again.
Ooh, hey guys, welcome to our video.
And yes, so this is what's happening. This is very easy to do. ONS, Oil and Gas Summit. So let's try this again. So try this for everything. So
Ooh, hey guys, welcome to our video.
if you want to make like a birthday surprise for your father, your daddy, your mommy, or you can do this to your sister. So you can do this to prank your friends. So most people don't know this right now in other countries. I mean, it's popular in the US, but it's not very popular in the other parts of the country. So what you can do is if you have like a small company, like let's say you have a small chocolate bar company and you want to advertise it, you can use these clips to like spam it on TikTok, and it will probably go viral. And try this to make sure that you're doing it right. And yeah, this is it for this video. You can also make money by doing this and promoting products. So what you can do is if you have like a small, like if you have a drop shipping company and you're trying to drop ship like gaming mouses, what you can do is, let's say, hey guys, buy this mouse that I found on blub.com website. Get it now ASAP. So let's do this with the TED Talk or this one. We never tried this one. So there's like six different templates. So this website is awesome, by the way. It's
Hey
very good.
guys, buy this mouse that I found on Blab. Come website, get it now ASAP.
And it's very good. So you can do this to try dropshipping. And yes, this is basically it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. See y'all.